How to enable dark mode in Lovable. So in order to do that, head over to lovable.dev. And as you can see right now, I'm currently on the dark mode. If you want to achieve this as well, click on your profile icon right here on your workspace. And from in there, you can see this appearance option. As you can see, it goes over to my system theme. So you can either choose dark or you can choose system theme if you're currently on the dark mode on your system on your Windows. If you're currently on the light, it should be able to reflect right here under the light right here. And if you want to change into the dark mode, just do over right here under the appearance and choosing here the dark option right there. So doing that will actually enable the dark mode into this particular part and switch the interface to that you want as well. So it is actually often preferred to use for nighttime. So using this way, you can actually head over and then get dark mode for yourself based on to this particular part. So that's how you enable dark mode in Lovable. I hope this video helped you out.